What's the difference between delinquency and status offenses? Have you ever wondered how the legal system views the actions of minors? It's essential to understand the difference between delinquency offenses and status offenses, especially if you are considering a career as a juvenile defense attorney. Let's break it down. Delinquency offenses are actions that would be considered crimes if committed by adults. Think of things like theft, assault, drug possession, and vandalism. These acts are treated seriously by the juvenile justice system. Even though the focus is on rehabilitation, the consequences can still be significant. Depending on the severity of the offense, penalties might include probation, counseling, or even time in a juvenile detention facility. On the other hand, status offenses are behaviors that are only illegal because the person is a minor. These are not crimes for adults. Common examples include skipping school, running away from home, violating curfew, and underage drinking. The juvenile justice system approaches these offenses differently. The goal is to address the underlying issues, like family problems or mental health needs. Instead of harsh penalties, minors might receive support through community service, counseling, or mentorship programs. For those pursuing a career as a juvenile defense attorney, knowing these differences is vital. Defense strategies will vary based on whether a minor is charged with a delinquency or a status offense. In cases of delinquency, attorneys often focus on challenging evidence or negotiating plea deals. For status offenses, the approach usually involves working with social services to find supportive solutions rather than punitive measures. Additionally, the Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention Act plays a role in how status offenders are treated. This law limits placing status offenders in secure detention facilities, favoring community-based treatment instead. This distinction is important when crafting defense strategies and can greatly impact case outcomes. In summary, delinquency offenses are serious acts that are criminal regardless of age, while status offenses are only illegal due to the minor's age. Understanding these differences helps juvenile defense attorneys effectively advocate for their clients within the juvenile justice system.